Alright guys, today I want to show you this 6-piece replacement cradle and strap set I purchased to repair my bike rack that goes on the back of my car. You can see it comes with 6 cradles for 3 bikes. I have a 2-bike rack, so I only need 4, and it comes with 6 straps that go on the cradle. Each cradle has a pin on each side. The strap holes just stretch right over those pins, and then your bike sits in here. So you just loop that right over the bike frame and secure it. So now let's get into my bike rack and install these. So this is my bike rack. It's about 15 to 20 years old. I bought it used from a co-worker. It's a Bell brand. You can see the existing cradles are completely deteriorating, cracking. This one, the Velcro just broke right off here, so I can't even strap the bike down. So that's why I want to replace these. So I'm gonna take that all apart, clean up the posts, and put the new cradles on. All right, first I have to remove these 2 end caps that have reflectors. There's 2 Torx screws underneath. They are T15s. Slide off the old cradles. I put this foam pipe insulation on the tubes, so when I'm putting my bikes on the back, if they set on here, it's not going to scratch up the paint on the bike. I also covered this down post with that foam and attached it with some zip ties, so when my bike is on the car, if it's swinging at all, it'll hit this and not the metal post. I also use bungee cords to attach it tight to the post. Alright, I took some time to clean up these posts that were under the old cradles, and if you're interested, I got out the calipers, and these come in just over 1 inch in outside diameter. Knowing that, you should be able to measure yours to make sure that they will fit. All right, there's no directions that come with these, so I just wanted to point out that underneath this rubber cradle protector, there's a Phillips head screw that you need to loosen, and that will allow you to slide the cradle over the post and then tighten it down once it's into position. You just tuck these little tabs up in here to hide them out of the way until you're ready. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. The description for these cradles says that they will fit 1-inch posts, but I put these first 2 on and they were pretty tight getting over this pipe. I ended up taking these screws out completely in the middle, which takes out this rubber cradle cover, and I was able to jam a flathead screwdriver in there like a wedge that caused it to separate a little bit and made it easier to slide on, but still pretty tight. They are tighter than the factory cradles were, so that's good news. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the last 2 in my foam padding. Now I'm going to reinstall these reflectors. Now I just want to make sure everything's positioned the way I like it. And I'm going to reinstall all the screws. Okay, now that I got everything tightened down and in the position that I want them, I'm going to add the securing straps. Alright, time to add a bike. Alright, I got my bike up on the new cradles and I'm really liking how it looks. You'll notice in the cradles that there's little grooves, and that's designed so that your brake cables and your shifter cables sit in there and aren't getting pinched when it's on the rack. Now I'm going to strap it down with these rubber straps. That's on there pretty good. I'm very happy with that. That's not going to go anywhere. Okay, well, that installation is complete. I'm pretty happy with them. The quality is very good, and it's going to hold up for many more years. I really like to repurpose things, so to be able to reuse my existing bike rack for a fraction of the cost of a brand new bike rack, I'm more than thrilled. I hope this video helped you make a decision. Thanks for watching.